Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Unang yasadaan bapaw khmat ka jella uba Erwin ke Sutnga. Henne kasngi ka khatlai tere unai tung arajar arpawar. Habayakren bat kelat pathai kubor. Ula pensngau badai bandawa ya ka sorkar MDA. Ban Pynbna ba ya ka Kaiphod jo justice di Vaipe. Ubala shimti bantok Pynbna halor ka jingsha set yap jo uba Cheris feel thank you. Ya kabalade ban IT haki benai baladem syaka sorkar. Shusho ula ong kat baka sorkar kadang Pynslem ban Pynbna ba ya ka Kaiphod token kadon ka Jingpynsuba ba kadon Shalyndet.
Commission kapan pan ya
From a legal point of view.
the commission has to depend on the departmental proceeding which has to be conducted. The department can happen conduct departmental proceeding, but on the basis of that, the commission should be informed of what is the action or inaction with regards to that particular case. They can niru badan kata kejimberan kahapannya ke departmental proceeding. Undai bakin vi nomor play the police he kadika force which is working under discipline. It has to work under discipline. It has to work under the mandate of the law. The ununu officer upapangkai ngan pagkamay pi ba house nem kendai pu usan na lang makla kadon ka jingsya penyap ugoy kuna hapo tanat hapo ralya ya kataro kajia kami jongka sipaw tarik u December haka Human Rights Day da andang ula udi kiat one rep ukit baru kubata ubu utau kubata udi sang ban halau sama uklam yo ajana kuno na yen daga ka kami kala yetu itu usi ukami u tabi u potanan ya tiet ya bom yu ban hadin kata pade kapan kinda lai pet ya tajat baka ralyang kade konstitusi jong ipa jong ato tipol ba harbat susiani la klano te ki fonya naman ngana practice jo tengale anda ngalai nga asat ni facts nga thought ka city sha u justice APC na thought ka city mendai datang petition ngali active justice APC anda i kata justice APC take up eka kum ka petition but pakem tu pule mar justice APC ngomba he has exceeded his powers as a police officer ki yo e compensation ala but ngayo e appreciation jo ko jengga ko jong justice APC na to po kadi ka silong bench jong ko di high court to po nomor beli justice APC ni hagabayakran bangau on police excesses must not be allowed. Only have to go by the ambit of the law. They have to work by the ambit of the law. The nomor kata kadaw hang niru kadon kamba ba kipaiba kin simjikhan pi abangi ong simjikhan kawai ka bangal ngo kalong ka report jong ba si Cheris thank you ka report ka jong hadok menta ka government company ka nomor beli ngatrehang to ka don ki adverse findings jong ka commission jong justice by ka don ki adverse finding against the police, but the people have a right to know, and those who are responsible, especially the police personnel who are responsible, they have to be brought to justice. Takadaw ngaro nga demand biang matakaski by a report jong justice by on the extrajudicial shooting of Cheris, thank you, it must be made public. Dadakim pelong public ya kadon ka suspicion against the MDA government, kadon ka suspicion against the police. There is a lack of confidence, there is a lack of trust that will be created and that will remain, that if the air is not cleared by releasing that report.